How to create ChatGPT account. In today's video, I will show you how you can create your ChatGPT account. Now, if you also want to learn how to create, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC, and there you have to search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be taken to this type of page where you will be able to see two buttons on your screen. Now, if you already have a ChatGPT account, then you can tap on this first button, login. You will taken to the next page where you have to type in your credentials and get logged into your ChatGPT account. And now, if you're new to the ChatGPT and wants to create your ChatGPT account, then you have to tap on the second button, sign up. And there you will be taken to the sign up page where you have to type in your email address in order to create your ChatGPT account. Now, to type in your email address here, and there tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, you will be asked to create a new password for your ChatGPT account. And the password you have created must be at least 8 characters long. Now, once you're done with creating your password, if you want to double check your password, then you can always tap on I icon to reveal your password. Now, tap on continue button. Once you tap on continue button, you will be sent an email to the email address that you have typed in. Now, you have to simply tap on open Gmail button, and then you will be able to see an email from ChatGPT. Once you open up that email, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now, you have to tap on verify email address button here, and then a new tab will open up on your screen. Now, there you have to fill your personal details like your first name, last name, and your date of birth. And once you're done with filling your details, tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, you will be landed to this type of page where you have to verify your phone number. Now, to verify your phone number, you have to firstly choose your country code and then enter your phone number here. Now, once you're done with typing in your phone number, tap on send code button. And then you will be sent one-time password to the phone number that you have entered earlier. Now, type in that code. And once your phone number gets verified, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. And now you have to simply tap on this next button and there tap on done button. And then you will be taken to the dashboard of ChatGPT, which means you have successfully created your ChatGPT account. Now, that was the step-by-step process on how you can create ChatGPT account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a big thumbs up. Now, that's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.